Welcome to System Dynamics Online Tutorials. In this session we're going to cover the finished jobs purge within the manufacturing production control environment of Dynamic 3i. When we first come into this application, we're being asked for the warehouse to run the purge on. As far as finished jobs are concerned, as the jobs are completed and committed and putting finished products into the stock, the job still exists on the system in a completed or flagged final status. What this application allows me to do is simply purge off those jobs that are finished, and I can purge them up to a certain date so that I don't have a cluttered system of very old jobs on the system. I simply put the warehouse that I want to do the cleanup on and do the finished jobs purge on. I can use a list of values to show me all the valid warehouses that I have access to on the system. If I choose a production warehouse and then hit return, the system asks me for a purge up to date. Any date that I put in here, the system will remove all jobs with a status of finished and completed, finalized, less than or equal to this date. So any date that I put in here, if I wanted to make all of the year 2001 jobs that were finished and completed removed from the system, I could purge every job that is finished up to January 1st of 2002. The system will then wait, and I can execute, and we get our standard batch or online. And since there is no report here, we can simply just run this, and if it finds any jobs that are less than or equal to the 1st of January 2002 that are finished and flagged as final, they will display here as processing job. It is actually removing that job. So we simply execute that, and it will be removing all of those finished jobs. It's important to note that it will also purge off any canceled jobs less than or equal to that date as well, since canceled jobs are not part of the system. And that concludes the finished job purge.